So you're pushing out. That's the gas escaping out of there. That little sounds.
Yeah. We don't want it to puff up when it bakes.
But those little bubbles that are like that's that sound.
It's the gases that are built up in fermentation. Yeah.
Okay.
A lot of people say, "Oh, that's air." It's not air. It's carbon dioxide and alcohol and all the byproducts of fermentation.
Okay. Because I never really sat up here and listened to the.
So you want to get rid of all that stuff in the middle, at least where you're going to put your toppings and stuff. You want a nice even crust right through there. That's why it's important.
You getting this?
Time doing this part. Way. Make sure you guys
little spank. Now
on the back of your hands. Slowly. You don't want to stretch too hard because you'll create a hole. Like if you stretch your hands too far apart, you know what I'm saying? Get too crazy.
Oh dang it! I accidentally pressed stop recording. I thought I wasn't.
See, now it's starting to get bigger. I'm able to have my hands further apart in different areas, but you gotta watch where it's going.
You have to toss it for the next pizza.
Okay.
Because I missed that one because I thought I wasn't recording, so I pressed the
Get
record
some
button and it
semolina
stopped.
on there.
And you're saying that semolina is like the endosperm of the wheat
The durum wheat.
the
Yeah.
Durum wheat.
So durum is what they use to make a lot of pastas. So like those dried pastas you see at the store, like the penne and all that kind of stuff. A lot of that's typically made with durum wheat. That's like the pasta plant here in Great Falls.
Right.
Pasta. And they use other grains too, but durum is native.
Is he the one who brought him there?
Why do we have weird moaning?
On your face. You can see your face in the back of my video.
You're killing me, bro. Disperse.
Oh, my butt cheeks.
Talk amongst yourselves. Disperse.
Sweating. Oh my gosh. Alright, so you get your sauce on there. So every time you do that, it kind of releases the tension in the dough and relaxes back. That's why it shrinks when you touch it. Because there's tension in there and it releases. Oh, hold on a second.
In the oregano.
Don't be giving everybody my secrets in your video packs. Jeez.
Well, you're okay. Well, I have to pause. I don't know. I have to pause it somehow. Like how to make a good pizza. I don't know. It's a how-to video.
Oh, it's a how-to video?
Well, now it is.
Without asking me first?
Well, it's not posted yet. It's still recording.
I'm not ready for a how-to video.
It was you already did great. You've already done great, dude. I've been the viewer. Earlier
Too much cheese on there.
He's got the paper towel in there to dab off all the excess moisture, just in case. You always want to control how much moisture you're dealing with.
Pie, depending on how long it's going to bake for. If it's going to bake for a longer time, there's more moisture that's going to bake off of the pie.
That is true.
So you know, not that you want to overtop it, but you could have like a little bit heavier toppings on a pie that's going to bake for a longer period of time, like a pan pizza or something like that. Whereas this is going to bake much quicker, so you don't want to overtop it. You don't want to put too much on there.
We do like 3 different cheeses.
They're here.
And then like a finishing cheese also.
These are the Hormel cupping pepperonis.
Well, the cupping ones are really good.
Rosa Supremes or something like that. Is the commercial name.
I feel like they have like kind of thicker, and they have a. I don't know. They have a really.
These are different than the ones that you get for like the cupping that are in the store. Those ones are still really, really good. These are slightly different though. These are.
I feel like they have a little bit slightly smokier flavor than.
A more bacony.
Yeah. Bacony.
I like a lot of pepperoni. There's going to be a lot of oil from the pepperoni, so I don't typically put olive oil on this. People can drizzle it on their slice if they want olive oil. But there's a lot of grease that comes off that pepperoni, so I'm trying to get lots of extra grease. It's just going to sizzle and fry in the oven. We got these Gallo pepperonis in here, so we'll put some of those on. These are different. Completely different style of pepperoni. The cupping pepperoni, I believe, actually originated in like Buffalo, New York. Like it was really popular out there, and then the last few years, like the last like 5 years or so.
Do you think it's because of the thicker casing on it makes it cup up?
Well, it's the casing is definitely crucial to the way that it cups up. Just the whole makeup of the sausage is different to make it do that.
Yeah, like fat content, the casing, probably the way it's cured, a few different things that make it so it actually cups up.
But people like them.
I do. They're my fave. They're my fave.
Now we're gonna load this puppy up. Turn it down so it doesn't cook too fast.
In this big one that we were doing, like it only takes like 4 minutes maybe.
Yeah,
like maybe
minutes.
4. Like it's
I mean, you're really watching for the crust not to get too dark too, so you really want to get the stones heated up. So this,
like
I preheated the oven for like 45 minutes before we did this.
The rock box was like
on low. You don't want to preheat it on high because then it gets too hot too fast and the stones don't get hot. You know what I mean? So if you just have it on a super high temperature, because see how the flame's just rolling up.
For sure, yeah. Like so it's got to creep up pretty much.
Yeah, you want to creep up.
In the rock box, it was like 90 seconds or so, a little over 90 seconds, I think. And then this one's
like a minute.
Yeah, this one's like maybe like 3-4 minutes. I feel it's still like a full-on pizza in just a few minutes.
Oh my god!
Yeah, I mean it's really impressive.
I don't know where the thing is.
Yeah, so I was thinking.
You see, like
just
the color I'm already getting on that.
Yeah, like just the like little quarter turn.
I get a better peel, I'll be able to turn easier. But right now, I'm just working with what I got.
Go lay down somewhere. I already got drool on me.
Do 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 do.
That's a good shot right there. You kind of get some of that blistered crust and the stuff popping.
I got a blistered crust like I'm Freddy Krueger.
Like Freddy Krueger's face, bro.
Bros.
Got a pepperoni pizza that looks like Freddy Krueger's face, man.
It's like that Italian guy.
Oh, I forgot to put those cheese curds.
Those cheese curds. Oh yeah, we did.
Curds on you, brother. I'm gonna curd you up. You want to get curded? Curdulated? That one needed to bake longer. Is it okay?
It's okay. I just do agree that they need to bake longer. Chili, no more. Not everybody else connected to that. It's cheese. It's like fluffy.
It's like I might turn the oven off on this, like turn the flame completely off and let it continue to bake in there.
I'm liking this color though.
Yeah.
That's a sexy. That's a sexy color.
Yeah,
I think it just needed longer on the bottom, Dad. Shut up.
it did. I don't know if the stones just weren't hot enough yet or what. It was getting stuck, so I couldn't frickin' turn it. I was trying to be careful so that I didn't rip the bottom of the pizza out in the oven. It's alright. Tilly likes cheese. Just give that one a bit.
I mean, I'll eat a piece.
I'll make another cheese that's better.
With some curds on it. Some cheese turds. Oh, and he's. You don't like curd? We haven't even tried it yet. Tilly, chill.
We're just saying yes and no to each other.
Okay, true. Yeah.
This one's baking a lot better. A lot better than that last one did.
You're like super tentative to it. I think that's the key. Like just.
Well, the other one we just had it stuck. The pizza.
Yeah,
stuck.
Mrs. Yeah, yeah. You agree?
Oh, God. You stop.
That's it.
That thing is hanging out of her face.
Oh yeah, that thing.
Oh, Jesus.
Hmm.
Ew.
That one. No, here you go. Have it back. There you go.
Disgusting. There's still a ton.
Oh, no.
It's literally the most disgusting
Imagine
thing
if
I've
it-
ever seen in
oh.
my life. Oh.
You own this dog. What do you? That's like the most disgusting thing. Like
Yeah,
you deal with this every day. Like.
we've seen worse.
We've
It's
seen
Get out of here.
worse.
Stop your fucking begging.
She got on your
Get.
shorts.
So you turn off the flame, just
Go
kind of.
away.
Yeah, so the crust doesn't get too much darker, but it can
Right. It's
continue to bake
Look,
on the
it's
stones.
still just like. I want to poke. I want to poke the one.
I want to fill the hole with my
I want to fill the hole.
it was lovely having you out here.
For like 2 minutes.
She's going back.
She's going to take a shower.
All day.
Her whole life is like a TikTok, like some TikTok.
Fucking TikTok.
Yeah, Mrs.
Get the fuck out of here. Etta, I've had it with you. Yeah.
Stop, get away from me, you weird fly.
Look at everybody else being good, laying down, away from us. You're the only one that's over here begging like an asshole.
Emmy, come here. Emmy.
Oh, she wants inside. Yeah, she wants.
She's scared.
Then
Heat that bitch
finish.
back
Then
up tonight. We're gonna heat that bitch back up.
we need some finishing cheese and some basil.
Basil.
Basil. Ah,
Bruise the basil.
gross, yes. What about Dan Paxton?
Haven't had
Oh yeah, sure, yeah. Finishing cheese.
You always want a salty finishing cheese. I like to salt and pepper everything. Just a little bit.
Well, you control that. You control that because you don't really put that in the spaghetti sauce or like pizza sauce.
I put a lot of salt in. Well, not a lot, but like I make sure it tastes like it's supposed to in the pizza sauce. But you want to salt and season every step of the way. Just because the pizza sauce is seasoned doesn't mean it's going to come through on the whole pie.
That's true. All right, Matty's specialty pizza,
You're adding a lot
bomb
of
ass.
fat with that cheese.
Matty's bomb ass pizzas. The best pizza,
Pizza Slayer, bitches.
the best pizza in town comes from a backyard.
Look at that cornichon. Look at the crust right there. Get that.
Just littering and she was sitting at. Oh, get off.
All right.